What's up? It is Monday morning. Well, it's actually Monday afternoon. We're going to get some groceries from Publix because school starts tomorrow. But yeah, let's just get it. Okay, I look a little crazy. My camera's very messed up and I need to take it to the store. The screen is broken, the like lens thing's broken. Where you close to put the battery in is broken, but I wanted to show you guys. I just went and got so many groceries. There were literally so many. I just like threw them in here and tried to organize them a little bit, so I'm gonna show you guys now. We have carrots, some salami, cucumbers, green pepper, tofu. It's my first time trying tofu this week, so I'll let you guys know how I like it. Then we have Brussels sprouts, more peppers. I got some mint, more peppers. I got these egg, let me pull them out. I got these egg wraps. I used to get the ones from Sprouts all the time, but I haven't had them in a while, so I got them to eat. They're just like literally egg white crepes. So yeah, I got a salad mix. I got some pineapple for a smoothie, some carrots. I love eating these carrots just like by themselves. I had some more Jello pudding. I just got some cheese. I got a couple Powerades. Oh, the cat food. We have some strawberries. They look super yum. So we have that. This is what I've been loving eating as like a sweet snack, are just sugar-free Jellos. So I have cherry, orange, and the caramel dolce, I think. And then I got a bunch of yogurts. These Light and Fits are my favorite Greek yogurts if I do the ones that have flavoring in them. And so I got some strawberry, cherry, key lime, and then these. If you're looking for something that's like super sweet, if you get these low-fat like mousse Yoplait things, there's the nutrition facts. I freeze them, and when you take them out and put a little whipped cream on them, they kind of taste like a sorbet. So I really like that. I got 2 wellness shots. This is, let me bleep out that word. And then the Blue Mystic, which has blue spirulina in it, which is supposed to be really good for you. I got some, this is one of my favorite creamers ever. It's so yum. And then this is for my dad. My mom's gonna take it to him tomorrow. And then that's the milk for my brother. And this is my favorite milk ever. Then I got this type of coconut almond milk. I really like that brand. It tastes the best to me. So yeah. I got a herbal tea to try because I've been really into these lately. It's the Arden Gardens hibiscus tea. And then I got the, I don't even know how to say that name, so I'm not going to try. But the cacao smoothie, just in case I need a quick breakfast sometime this week. I got these lightly breaded chicken strips to try. I'll let you guys know how I like them. And then if you're looking for like a cauliflower that has more flavoring, I really like this one. It's just loaded cauliflower with white cheddar and bacon. It's got chives and stuff on top of it. It's super yum. This is what it looks like. It's about to go in the oven to cook. This is the new balsamic vinaigrette I got to try on my salad. I'll let you guys know how I like that. I got some sourdough, some more of my wraps. If you guys saw my TikTok, these are my favorite wraps. They're super low cal and low carb. And then I got some pita bread, which again is for a video I'm filming. I'm gonna eat like Emma Chamberlain for the day. So yeah. Lastly, this is like all the rest of the stuff I got. I got these gluten-free chips. I got some quinoa cacao granola. That's my favorite kind of granola. Some Jello to cook. Some Crystal Light, unsweetened applesauce, Powerade, like I said, and then I got these chips as well. This is my favorite cereal at the moment. It's super, super yum. So I love this one. I got one for myself, and then mom got one to take to dad. I got onions, and I got limes, bananas, apples, ginger, and somewhere I got guacamole. I can't, not guacamole, but avocados, but I can't find them. I don't know where they are. Update, I have no clue what happened to the avocados. I guess they did not make it here or in the cart, but yeah. I can't believe I start school tomorrow, and I can't believe that it's almost 4 o'clock and I'm just having my first coffee of the day. Definitely did not go how I thought it would go today. I was hoping I would wake up early, but I woke up at about like 3 or 4. No, it was 4. It was like 4:15, and my sugar was like in the 40s, so that was fun. And whenever that happens, the best thing for me to do is fix it, do whatever I need to do, go back to sleep and sleep in a little bit, because it always makes me feel like shit. So yeah, and this is my first like real meal of the day. I had some cereal earlier this morning, but like I said, I'm cooking this cauliflower thing. I think I'm gonna eat it for dinner and just eat these chicken strips and maybe a salad or some sweet potato fries with them. And yeah, yeah, anyway, I just can't believe school starts tomorrow. I haven't filled y'all in on the tea that happened, because my schedule is like completely different now, which is okay with me. But yeah, just wanted to give a very dizzy update. Yeah, so this week did not go how I thought it was gonna go, and I'm very glad I quit vlogging like after the first day. Basically my schedule completely changed and I was really stressed out, but today I'm finally fine. I got in the classes I needed to get into and everything's like settled. But I'm gonna vlog an entire like day of my life on Monday or Tuesday, so keep an eye out for that, and I'll go over like the details of how my schedule changed and everything if you guys are interested. So yeah, you guys, I have an elderberry lozenge in my mouth, but my queen, it's me Tinks, yeah, anyway, she posted a link for Velvet Caviar. That's buy one get one free. I don't think this will be up by the time, but if you see this, go use her code if you need a new phone case. I love Velvet Caviar. I've been wanting to get a phone case from them forever, and I know I just got this new wildflower one, but I ordered one anyway because it was buy one get one free. And so I bought a phone case that I'll put on the screen right here, and I got AirPod case for free, which if you watched my video from where I went to Fernandina Beach, you saw that I bought one, and I'm guessing it dropped out of my car when I was getting out at the beach, because it has been lost ever since. But yeah, anyway, all right. Sorry, editing EA again. Another update. I basically filmed for like, I don't know, probably a couple days of me like organizing my room and my desk and my bathroom and everything, and I've lost the footage. I think I accidentally deleted it whenever I needed to clear space and I didn't realize what it was. So that's fun. But basically I completely cleaned out and reorganized my bathroom and this desk that you guys are about to see. And A, I'm obsessed with how the desk turned out, and B, I lost the footage. So hope you guys enjoy. Just want to explain because I lost the footage and you guys don't understand what's going on. So yeah, enjoy my new desk. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna kind of go over my desk and what I did to change it up. This was like my old, or it is my vanity that I got in middle school. As you can see, I still have my tree. How pretty. But I wanted to kind of fix this area for my Zoom calls and everything, so that's what we're doing. Ignore the stuff on my bed. So this is the planner I'm using, the Emma Chamberlain Ideal Planner. I have to work on it in a second, and I'll talk to you guys about like what's going on with school and everything. I'm going to sit down and fix my Google Calendar and my iPad. I like having both. But I figured I'd just show you everything that's here. On the right, I have my camera, a little Louis Vuitton box of phone stand. This is really useful if you guys are looking for one. It's like a gold color. I really like it. Yeah, I'm thinking about ordering this for my laptop as well. I also have my Vouv candle. I have this cup that I ordered from the MoMA. It is so adorable. It's a coffee cup that's supposed to look like a paper cup. If you guys have ever noticed these on TV, it's like an infamous New York like thing. Anyway, I ordered that. I have my glasses, a bunch of pen and highlighters in here. I have my drink that I'm drinking on right now. I have this from the Oscar de la Renta exhibit I went to in high school with my parents. And I'll show you guys like why I have it here in a second. But yeah, I have it right there. I might tape it up. I might get like a motivational little, I might print out a little motivational thing and put it up here and maybe around the top. But anyway, as you look over to my left, I just have some coasters. This is from a hotel. I believe this is the one in New Orleans, maybe? I can't remember, but it's just a Winston Churchill quote. And then I have two of these other little paper coasters. I have my Whispering Angel that I got for my birthday. I still haven't drank it, but I'm sure after a couple days of classes I'll crack it open. I just thought it looked so cute, and it kind of went with the coasters. And then I have three of my books. I have my Iris Apfel book, my Chanel book, my fashion book, and to the left I have an old Starbucks like coffee can, just helping prop it up, and I thought it was cute. And then I have two of my like etiquette books. So in the drawers, I filled them with my current jewelry. This is stuff I like wear every day. I put all my rings in here and everything. And then in this one, it doesn't look that organized, but I swear it is. It has all, except for this, because I was just eating this and I put it in there. It has all my cords and everything that I have for YouTube. I have like SD card readers. I have an external hard drive, all my tripods, Apple AirPod stuff. So yeah. And then this one we're not going to open because it has all of my old letters and everything from like when I was a kid to high school. So it's very messy. Okay, let's move on to the bathroom. My focus is so bad. My other camera is dead. That's why I'm vlogging on this camera. But I'm going to show you an updated after and then organize it and show you guys. So I told you guys I ordered a couple things off of Amazon, I believe. If I didn't, I ordered a couple things to help organize this off of Amazon, and I'll turn you guys around and show. I ordered this stand. I highly suggest it. It's super nice. It was like $15 and it's pretty steady, as you can see. And I put some medicine right here, some more medicine down there. I take a bunch of medicine, so that's what I ordered this for, was to put like my retainer and stuff, and then my medicine and maybe my hair products and stuff. So I'm gonna finish organizing this whole situation, and then this is what the inside of my drawer looks like. For the first time in my life, I threw this pen in there earlier. The first time in my life, this drawer I actually use. I've always had like, I'll put in a picture right here from my Tumblr because it went viral when I was in high school, of all the makeup and stuff I had. So when I got back home, I cleaned out this entire thing, and this is basically what I use for the most part, like every so often. I use all of this stuff like every single day. I actually have to reorder some Drunk Elephant stuff. Then I have my contacts. I have like a CC cream. It's kind of too dark for me now, so it's just sitting there for next summer. But I have like all my face care stuff. I have my Summer Fridays mask. If you're looking for a mask, I really like that one. I have this vampire mask that went viral on TikTok. And then this is all the makeup I don't usually wear every day. Like I have some palettes and stuff. And then here's all my lipsticks and lip glosses and my AirPods. But a really big goal that I want to do, finishing out my time in Tipton, which by the way guys, I got on a wait list for a coronavirus vaccine, which is exciting. But while I'm still here, I really want to organize. I have this really bad habit. I do it when I go to Oklahoma too. It typically, when it's not corona times, it's like when I come here and go back to Oklahoma, I won't unpack and organize everything because I'm like, well, I'm gonna go on this trip in like a month, so what's the point? And so anyway, I'm trying to like organize this so I can be in the right state of mind for school and everything and feel organized. You know, just self-improvement. So anyway, what's up? It's 11:20. I have class in 10 minutes. I forgot to update you guys. I still have my Starbucks from earlier. And yes, my tree is still up. I think I'm gonna keep it up for a while. But I accidentally broke this chair. It was already broken, but then I leaned back a little too far back, so now I'm in a different chair. But yeah, I have class in 10 minutes. First Zoom meeting of the year, but I only have this class today because I'm trying to fix my schedule and I had to drop the second class. So yeah, I'm just gonna watch YouTube for like 5 minutes, finish downloading Zoom, and hop on the class. Okay, I'm gonna do a little voiceover because this would be so confusing. I was just like airing out my thoughts. I was very like irritated because I had to drop a class. I accidentally signed up for a senior like last course class and all this kind of stuff. Anyway, basically more of the story, I was super stressed out and I decided that I didn't want to vlog the rest of the day because I didn't have any more classes, but then I kind of ended up vlogging just a little bit. So I'll put that footage in here and I will see you guys in the next video. You guys, today was literally so stressful. I just took myself on a drive after my doctor's appointment. Also, yes, we do still have our tree up. I took myself on a drive after my doctor's appointment. My food's cooking in the air fryer right now, which is what you guys can hear in the background. Sorry about that. But oh my gosh, I just didn't think today was gonna be this stressful. But I took myself for a drive. I rode around a little bit. I was gonna drive to Fitzgerald, but I was like, no, I need to get home and do stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna watch Friends. It's on right now. Friends is my favorite TV show, if you guys don't know that. I love Friends. I've been obsessed with Friends since I was in like high school, maybe. I don't remember. But yeah. After I eat this, I am going to go for a quick walk or bike ride because I need it for my mental stability. I'm about to check and see if my advisor has emailed me back. I look so bad. I'm literally just unwell. Oh my gosh. Let's see, the moment of truth. I don't know if mine. I just burnt my food. Can this day literally go any worse? This is the worst day ever. Like, alarm's literally gonna go off, but I'll show you guys. Like, why? Okay guys, it's a little later. So clearly my first day didn't go how I thought nor wanted it to go, but I'm trying to remain positive. I just chilled for a little bit. I am in the process of meal prepping a little bit, not really like meal prepping. I just want to start trying to have meals available that I can just throw in the microwave or air fryer or whatever, warm up. So I'm cooking some chicken and some quinoa, and yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take a bath and kind of like relax, take some time to myself, and then I'm going to work out and just chill and eat dinner and go to bed. So with that being said, there's not that much more to show. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog, and yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna be filming a college week in my life and also a Emma Chamberlain, and also eating like Emma Chamberlain for the day. So get excited. Okay guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful week and stay happy. Bye guys.